Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Learn with Harini. Today exam shift 1 and shift 2. Let's revise what are the questions which have been asked in today's examination. So it will help you to prepare for the people who are writing the examination tomorrow. So let's begin with the video. If you see, sorry, screen is changing. So if you take communication, you can actually study about the mass media, television, and radio. Questions are being repetitively asked on the same topic. Models of communication we've seen in some sessions. So you can revise my models of communication video. Yesterday also we've discussed model on SMCR which they asked in examination. So moving on, the types of communication, formal, informal, and the grapevine model of communication and all of that. What is triangular research? Triangular research basically uses various methods of research. Various methods of research are incorporated in your findings. That is, I will use a case study, I can use observation, I can use interview, I will use all of that so that I test the validity and consistency in the research results. So triangular research is like a mixed research approach, and this can be used both in qualitative and quantitative. So using various methods for data collection, that is triangular research. Square of opposition we've already discussed. They also have revised. YM and NEP 2020 questions are being asked regarding the same. So SWAYAM, if you know, there are totally 9 coordinators. Learn who are the coordinators in SWAYAM before you head to your examination. So SWAYAM Prabha, questions are being asked actively. SWAYAM full form is Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. Full form very important. Totally 9 coordinators I've already mentioned. And Swayam, what are the, let me just erase this. So Swayam has 4 quadrants, right? They are video lecture, material to read, course material, and self-assessment, and then online discussion forum. Please refer the quadrants correctly if they ask in the exam. I'm just giving a quick run through. And Swayam was started on 9th July 2017. Very important. Moving on, the levels of teaching. On the levels of teaching, memory level, it's cramming, rote learning, memorization. It is by Hunt. This is the, in a pyramid, this is the lower level. It goes like this. And then the understanding level. Understanding level is by Morrison. It's how you comprehend, how you identify, generalize with principles and theory, that is in understanding. And in reflective, it is about critical thinking and problem solving, the highest level of teaching. It's by Herbert. These are very important for you to revise. Teaching aids are projected and non-projected aids and tools used in teaching. For example, Canva, Kahoot. These are some software used in teaching, which we have seen in some PYQs. Logical fallacies like slippery slope, strawman policies being asked in exam. Moving on. In Time, speed, distance. The length of the train was asked. You need to find the length of the train. Usually, distance is equal to distance will be given already, and the length based sum, if it comes in an examination, total distance will be distance plus the length. So here in today's question, they have asked you to find the length. So just substitute the given calculation in the formula and you can find out the answer easily. So speed of the train and the distance are given. The length you need to find out. And then time and work. We've solved many sum on the same. Square of a position. Chi-square test. So chi-square test is basically I'm observed value with expected value. You're going to measure with the variables. It is used in the qualitative research technique under non-probability method. So just go through the chi-square test and the formula. NCRT match the following based has been asked in exam. So soil horizon. Soil horizon is basically there will be soil profile and the layers are called as the soil horizon. It's very important topic. Horizon. It is the upper layer of the soil, like the topsoil. Then comes the A. A is humus layer. It has rich organic substances and this is called as topsoil. This is topsoil's up. O's topsoil's upper layer. This is topsoil. And then moving on to B, it is the subsurface horizon. Just know all these terms so that it will be helpful for your next examination. And then last is C, it's the broken bedrock. These are some important points for you to understand. In successive discounts, it is A plus B minus AB divided by 100. Moving on, pollution topic. Lot of questions are being asked on pollution. I've already mentioned earlier in my previous session also. The next question. The term ecology. Ecology, the basic meaning is how you study about the organism and their surrounding environment, how they interact with their environment. That is basically the study of ecology. So ecology was given by Ernst Haeckel in the year 1866. Likewise, C for ecosystem and go before you go for your next exam. Environmental acts. I've given on my community channel and also on story. I've mentioned the important acts along with the year. Volatile organic compounds. That is, they have a large vaporizing capacity and they turn in the form of gases and they affect. So it is found in aerosols, refrigerants, pesticides, and all of that. So here, the major agents of this VOC include, these are the agents. Just learn it if they ask in the exam. It is very important. And also in painting and varnishes, you can find this volatile organic compound. So moving on to mission language. Mission language is basically 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. The digits 0 and 1 form the mission language. So here there is an assembler that turns the assembly language to mission language. And the high level language will be C++ and Java are the high level language. So assembly language, mission level language and high level language. International protocols and on agreements of climate change, very important, like Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, Earth Summit. They have asked in chronological order. So revise and go. Education in concurrent list. In the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution of India, education is added from the state list to the concurrent list in the year 1976. Next one, COP 21, 22, 23, 24 have been asked in the exam. So COP questions have been coming frequently. 21 is Paris, France. 22, Morocco. 23, Bonn, Germany. 24. Also have a look about the latest COP before you head for your next exam. And which is not an ink printer. Laser printer does not use ink. That is the answer for this particular question. So let's move on. Boat and stream, both upstream and downstream, very important. So upstream will be U minus V. U is the speed of the boat in still water. V is the speed of the stream. For downstream, it is U plus V. I'm just revising the basic formula. Coding sums were given. Reading comprehension is very easy. Data interpretation, shift 2, it was easy and moderate in shift 1. Greenhouse gases. What are the important greenhouse gases? Methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor, ozone. Lot of questions have been asked on the same. Acid rain. What causes acid rain? So when sulfur dioxide adds with the nitrogen dioxide, it causes acid rain, very harmful. Read about that. Modes and figures. There is a format, all, no, some not, and some in square of opposition, right? They will give you the sentences very easily. You need to term it as E, O, I. That's all. That is modes and figures. Ancient universities order. They've been asking about a lot on ancient universities. Do revise that. So that's all for today. All the best. Keep preparing. If you get to know any new question, do share it in the comment section. All the very best. You can do it.